from Asiatic Wares. When you see this envelope, you know it's from Bargain Bead Box. And in case you aren't familiar, Bargain Bead Box is a monthly subscription service that delivers a variety of jewelry supplies to you each month. And each month focuses on a central theme. The subscription is $17.95 per month for a month-to-month subscription, but they do have other options available on their website. Okay, well, let's get this open to see what we have this month. Okay, so we have our surprise themed jewels in this beautiful, beautiful bag as usual, and we have our shipment identification key that gives you a list of everything that is included in this month's box. And they also let us know that our approximate total retail value for this month's shipment is $62. So there are 17 items in this month's bag. Let's get to see what we have inside. They let us know that this month's theme is blush. And so we have a luscious blend of peach, pink, and pearls combined with golden findings for a bright summer style. This collection features man-made druzy pendants, rose quartz, and agate accents, plus a full strand of freshwater pearls. A crescent chandelier makes for a bold statement piece, while coordinating charms and links create delicate design options. As usual, they include a 30% off coupon code to use on their sister site, beadboxbargains.com. They have their usual contest on their Facebook page. And so let's open it up and see what we have. In the first bag, we have about 13 and a half inch strand of 4 by 3 millimeter freshwater pearl button beads. And these are really not that tiny, but they do have a nice little iridescent finish to them. The second item is an 8-inch strand, 8 by 6 millimeter electroplated Chinese crystal beads in a peach opal color. And you can see that on one side it has the peach. It almost looks gold on camera, but it has that peach color, and then on the other side you have the opal color, so that kind of two-sided there. And that's an 8-inch strand. Number 3 is a 100 pieces of the Chinese crystal bicone beads in a light rose color. And these are very pretty and very summery. Because it's just a very light pink. But as usual with Chinese crystal bicones, you always get a lot of reflection and they pick up a lot of light and give a nice sparkle to your piece. Very pretty. Our fourth item is a 10-inch strand of glass rondelle beads in peach. It's just a nice strand of beads, and you can kind of see that they have gone with a very soft pink and peach theme so far with their colors. Next, we have 4 pieces of a 20 by 16 millimeter flower medallion charms with the gold finish. They're not two-sided, but that's your front and your back. So it's pretty cute. And they have little, look like it's a little heart design in there. I hope you can see that. Very cute. Number 6 is 50 pieces of, I'm not gonna take all of these out. Oh, maybe I'll take a few of them out. 50 pieces of 4mm swirled rondelle spacer beads. And if you look closely, you can see the little swirl design on there. Number 7, we have 12 pieces of 10mm crackle agate round beads. And these are in like a cherry red color. But of course with the crackle, you kind of get a lot of that veiny mix in there. And so some of them are a little lighter. And so they come off a little more pink. But you get 12 of these. Number 8 is 30 by 16mm oval druzy pendant. And that's nice. I've seen these made by a few people here on YouTube. And this is made of resin and brass. Very, very pretty. I've never had one of these, so I'm excited to finally have one on one and get to work with it and bring out its beauty. Number 9, we have 2 pieces of a 24 by 15mm druzy teardrops. So that right there looks like a pair of earrings to go with the single piece that I just showed you. So looks like we can have a nice little set made, a pair of earrings and a necklace with the pendant that I just showed you. So these are very nice. And these are the teardrop shape. And here we have about a 4-inch strand of the 6mm rose quartz round beads. And again, the theme is blush, so we're seeing a lot of soft pinks, peachy colors. Number 11, we have 4 loop, 25 pieces of a 4 loop links. And these are kind of a floral, like a flower design, almost like a 4-leaf clover. But they are links. They have a nice little dotted pattern to them on the front and back. Here we have 20 pieces of a 7.5mm star bead caps. Again in the gold finish. And let's get a few of these turned over so you can see that. And see the detail on these. We have a 7.5-inch strand, the 8mm rose quartz round beads. So it's a little bigger than the previous strand of the round of the rose quartz beads. But very pretty beads. Light pink blush. And that is our theme this month. Here we have a 93mm crescent chandelier pendant. Again, with the gold finish. So, with that bottom there, that allows for a lot of link and beadwork there to make a stunning statement piece. It's not two-sided, but there's the back. So that's going to be a beautiful statement piece. Wonderful. And it's lightweight. It's not heavy at all. As usual, in the Bargain Bead Box monthly subscription box, they send us chain, which is always nice to have. And here we have 1 meter of the 3mm steel Rolo chain. And I've never had this chain before. It's a little heavier than what I've usually had, but you would need something heavier to hold that pendant, that crescent chandelier pendant. This is a very nice chain. Very, very nice. And we're coming up on the last two pieces. We have chandelier findings, 2 pieces. And again, with these pieces, we would be able to make a pair of earrings, and with the same bottom, rather similar bottom to the chandelier pendant, you can create dangles for a nice set of earrings to go with the chandelier pendant. So that's going to set up for a nice earring and necklace set. And this is the front, and this is the back of it. And last but not least, we have 3 hook and eye clasps. So that, again, in the golden finish. Very nice, very nice. So that is what I received this month in the Bargain Bead Box subscription box. This month's theme is blush. And as you can see, there's a lot of gold finish, a lot of light pinks, a lot of coral, and a lot of peach colors. And with the gold finish, it does make for a very bright pink. Pink, well, it is a lot of pink, but it makes for a lot of bright and summertime colors. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.